Hi, I'm Anita Manoharan. I'm working in the capacity of Manager Human Resources with Sitaram Bharti Institute. Today we have Dr. Jitendra Nagpal, Consultant Pediatrics, who's going to share his experience with us. Okay, Dr. Jitendra, how did you decide to join Sitaram Bhartiya?
In 2004, when I completed my senior residency from Al Azhar Medical College, I was confused, like most of us are at that particular stage, because the choices which I considered were that I could join an academic institution like a medical college. Options were very limited at that particular point in time, as they usually are. I could start an individual practice in which one has cutthroat competition, one has a system which is pervasive, which is like cuts, where one has a very poor quality of life. Private institutions is an alternative which offers more diversity. However, there is the issue of sometimes target-based practice, which can therefore become unethical. And faced with this confusion, I started to give some interviews, and then I met up with the director at Sitaram Bhartiya Institute, who vociferously supported evidence-based ethical care at his own institution, and this appeared to be in sync with my aspirations, and their increasing focus on research was also something which I personally felt very strongly about. So this is how I decided to join Sitaram Bhartiya in 2005. It all began a few months after I had joined, and we were planning a citywide survey on diabetes patients and their quality of care at Sitaram Bhartiya. Well, given my research experience as well as interest, I opted into doing this survey, and it turned out very well. We visited around 20,000 houses, and we got very good data which got published in Diabetes Care. This finally led to my submitting a couple of ICMR projects which were on vitamin D supplementation. They also got approved. We got a lot of acknowledgement and encouragement regarding the progress of those projects. Over the next couple of years, it developed into a portfolio of research projects, intramurally funded as well as externally funded, leading to around 20 international publications and around 4 ICMR research projects. And currently also we are in the process of completing one research project on Doppler velocimetry, and in the process of submitting a couple of research projects on infant vitamin D supplementation and antenatal exercise. So it has been a very wide-ranging spectrum of research activities that we have indulged in over the last 9 years, which has been extremely satisfying and enriching.
So, Dr. Jitendra, what parting message you have for candidates applying to Sitaram Bhartiya?
Well, the parting message basically, or the joining message basically would be that in case you're considering an ethical place where you can practice evidence-based medicine without any pressures, and at the same time are interested in educational activities which could encompass research or medical education, then this is the right place to be, because the kind of diversity in terms of the non-clinical or the clinical related activities that you will get here is difficult to replicate in the private sector.